Welcome to the unboxing and installation of the RIOD PowerPod EV charging station. In this video, we will guide you through the process of unboxing, mounting, and wiring this innovative charging solution. Let's begin by taking a look at what's inside the box. First, we have a packet containing screws, wall anchors, needed for mounting along with RFID tags and QR codes. Now, let's take out the wall dock. This component will serve as the base for your charging station. Lastly, we have the RIOD PowerPod EV Charger along with its connector. With all the components unboxed, it's time to move on to installation. The first step is mounting the wall dock to your wall. The dock comes with 5 holes, and you'll want to mark the positions on the wall according to the dimensions provided in the charger's manual. Once your markings are ready, drill the holes and insert the wall anchors provided. Secure the wall dock in place using the M4 screws that came with the device. Now, it's time to attach the charger to the wall dock. Utilize the 4 M6 screws that were included with the device to ensure a secured mounting of the charger. With the charger mounted, it's time to tackle the wiring. Carefully remove the insulation from the tip of the wires and connect them to the appropriate terminals as described in the user manual. Once all the connections are made and all open circuits are closed, it's time to power up your RIOD PowerPod EV charging station. Now, let's unravel the key indicators that guide us through the charging experience. A stable red light signals a fault condition, while a steady yellow light indicates the charger's availability. When you see a steady green light, your EV is in the charging mode. The RIOD EV Home Model Charger offers 2 convenient modes of operation. In plug-and-play mode, charging begins automatically once the connector is plugged into your EV. Alternatively, in RFID mode, a simple tap of the RFID tag, included with the charger, initiates or stops the charging process. For the RIOD EV Commercial Model Charger, operation is just as effortless. Use the QR code provided with the device to start charging smoothly. Additionally, the commercial model offers the convenience of RFID functionality, ensuring a user-friendly and versatile charging experience. Now, you're one step closer to a sustainable and convenient charging experience for your electric vehicle. Enjoy the ride. Now, we'll walk you through the process of setting up our city model charging solution efficiently and safely. Let's begin with the floor dock. It comes equipped with 3 holes at the bottom for secure floor anchoring and an additional 3 holes on its surface to attach the charger securely. Start by marking the hole positions on the floor where you intend to install the charger. Then, using a 10 mm drill bit, create holes in the floor surface at those marked positions. Once the holes are ready, secure the floor dock in place using 10 mm foundation bolts. This ensures stability and safety for your charging station. Now, it's time to attach the charger to the floor dock. Utilize the Allen bolts provided with the charger to securely fasten it in place. Take a moment to become familiar with the switches located on the top backside of the charger. Here, you'll find the emergency switch, which is essential for an immediate halt to the charging process if needed, ensuring safety at all times. Additionally, you'll notice that there are separate configuration buttons for each connector, allowing you to customize your charging preferences. RFID readers are also available separately for each connector, enhancing user convenience. After onboarding the charger, when you are ready to charge the EV, simply press the lock switch attached to the connector to release it securely. Your RIOD PowerPod City Charger is now installed and ready to provide efficient and convenient charging for your electric vehicle.